All right, today we are going to look at real estate investing. I know we've talked a lot about that, but we're going to talk about it specifically as how it differentiates from stock investments. And obviously both of them have a place in a portfolio, but real estate investments, in my opinion, have a huge advantage as it comes to long-term wealth building. Again, both of them have a place, but I love real estate investment. And here's just a couple of the reasons why. First is that real estate is a tangible asset. You're not just investing in a company that can potentially go away. You've got a hard asset, something you can touch and feel, and a lot of people love that. The other part to that is that in times of uncertainty, real estate tends to be more resilient than stock markets. People tend to flock to real estate whenever things are hard. Three out of the last five recessions, real estate has actually gone up where stocks have crashed. Another key thing when you're looking at both of them is just the consistency of income. If you have an income generating real estate investment, the cash flow tends to be consistent. It tends to be the same over amount of time and even slightly increasing as you go. The other one, which we've talked about a little bit in the past, is just when you're talking about an overall strategic financial plan and all the different little variables that go into that, here's why real estate really shines, if you ask me. If you look at what you're really cost to do business is, if you're really looking at what your actual investment is of money out compared to money coming in, that's where real estate tends to shine. When you're using leverage in real estate, which is often the case, let's say you've got a property for $100,000, you put 20% down, $20,000. If you're getting 3% return on that $100,000, you're only making a 3%, which is not great. Whenever we work with our clients, we tend to look between 7 and 10%. Sometimes higher, depends on the real estate temperature, depends on what's going on in the local real estate market at the time. But let's just say it's 3%. If you're looking at that investment and it's appreciating at 3% over time on that $100,000, that's really a 15% return on your investment on the $20,000. So it goes from a 3% to a 15%. So let's take that same investment. If you're getting a 10% return on that $100,000 and you're only got a $20,000 initial investment, you're actually getting a 50% return on your investment. Besides that, as we've talked about in the past weeks, you're getting to depreciate that whole $100,000 or most of that $100,000, depending on what the house is versus the land. You have potential for 1031 exchanges. You have a potential for cost segregations to accelerate the depreciation. There's lots of different things when it comes to an income-producing real estate property that really makes it a unique and a great investment. So if you're looking at all those different things, it's tangible, it's more resilient, it's consistent income. There's strategic financial planning that allows for bigger returns. It also allows for a level of control that you don't get. You can potentially increase the value of that by fixing something up or adding something to the home or the property. There's lots of different ways that you can be hands-on in real estate, where in stocks, it's kind of a purchase the stock and forget about it. And again, there's a place for that, and we invest in stocks, but man, we really love real estate investment. Here at Lake of the Ozarks, there are tons of opportunities, whether you're looking at single family homes for long-term rent, whether you're looking for VRBOs, whether you're looking at multifamily, commercial. All different real estate investments have certain different pluses and minuses, and if you have any interest in learning more about those, if you would like help, if you don't have a trusted real estate advisor, we would love to become that for you. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 1-800-836-2005. Thanks and have a great day.